Hello YouTube. Today we're going to change off the headlights and the side marker lights. Been waiting to do this for a while, so let's get started. Sorry about the engine, it's a little dirty, but first thing I have to do is remove this plastic plate that go across here. It's just two little screws, one right there and one right there. Once you remove it, this whole plate comes off. Okay, the plate's off. You have two little brackets that hold the headlight in. This one right here, you gotta pull that one up. And this one right here, you gotta pull this up. It's two little brackets. Once you pull it up, this whole front part of the headlight will slide right out. With these two out, this light slid right out like that after I detached the plugs for the bulbs. And here we are. Definitely needs to be replaced. To remove the side marker right here, you just remove the Phillips screw right there, and this whole section will come out like that. Let me take these off. Okay, I just plugged in the LED lights to test them, make sure everything is working. There's one thing I'm not going to put on here, and that's the LED light on the side right here. I realized that when you cut it on, it gets really bright and it blinds the person that's off to your left or right whenever you turn signal. And I do not want to be blinding people on the left and the right. I want the bright light to be coming forward. So I'm using regular lights for the side illumination, LEDs for the front. So I just checked the LEDs, they work fine. All the light bulbs and current is working fine. So now I'm just going to transfer the light sockets with the bulbs in them onto the new housings and then put everything back together on this side. Let's see how it works. Okay, the side marker is on. Now it's time to install the new headlights. And this side is on. You can see the difference between this and this. Now let's get this other side done. And that's it. Both sides are done. Till I see you next video.